It's kind of sad. I've been sort of a nervous wreck about it all week, feeling guilty, especially seeing it tied up. But I know that it's way too close to the house, and we're really excited to think that if it's going to go somewhere, it's going to be the center of the city of Chicago.
We came up in second place last year, a little short. So
all throughout the year, people would say, "Are you going to enter your tree again? Are you going to enter your tree again? Let us know. Let us know."
So, we thought we'd give it another shot this year.
Right.
Second time's the charm, I guess.
And I've always dreamed of having it lit from top to bottom, so it's going to be nice that that dream's going to come true.